Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off shadow effects in Bully Anniversary Edition. If you want to turn off the shadow effect in Bully Anniversary Edition, first of all, make sure to open up the game on your device. And once you do that, from the main home screen, click on the map icon at the top right corner. Now you will see these several menus popping up on the screen. Go ahead and tap on Settings. Under Settings, go ahead and look for the Shadows option under Display. Tap on the button right next to Shadow, and then you can go ahead and set the Shadows effect to Low, Medium, High, or if you want to turn it off, tap on it once again and make sure that it is leveled as Off. Once you choose Off, this will reduce or completely remove shadow effects in the game. This can improve performance on older devices. So that's how you can easily turn off shadows effect while playing Bully Anniversary Edition. You can now get back to the game and enjoy gameplay without heavy shadow effects. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.